This video will show how to attach Japanese hinges with a T-Hinge. Assemble all the materials and tools you will need before you start. Because we are matting the artwork, you will need to have the backing board already attached to the mat. In addition, you will need wheat paste, a brush, hinging separators, blotters, weights, and tweezers. To start with, open the mat and center the artwork on the backing board. And when you're satisfied that it's centered, place a blotter and a weight on the artwork to ensure it doesn't move when you attach the hinges. Open up the mat. You are now ready to attach the hinge. If you have been wearing gloves, you might find it easier to apply the paste without them. Take your brush and apply the paste to the hinge. Now take the hinge and place it over the vertical hinge that is attached to the back of the artwork, making a T. We find the tweezers make this job much easier. Then take your hinge separator and your blotter and weight it down. Continue the process with the other hinge. Just gently putting it down first, rubbing it slightly, taking your hinge separator, putting your blotter over it, and then the weight. We recommend you let the hinges sit under the weights for at least an hour. You can then lift off the weights, blotter, and hinge separator. Now that your hinges are attached, your artwork is now ready for framing.